You're going against my constitutional rights. Then y'all making it look like I'm the threat. Y'all violating my rights and my freedom.
All right, folks, welcome back to your favorite channel for highlighting new auditors and finding the best cop watch videos. A lot of videos get sent to us to review. You guys are going to love this one. This one comes to you by way of Uncle Chico. As of right now, he has a limited amount of subscribers. We'd like to definitely help him out with that. I love the way this dude talks to these cops. You can tell this man is tired of being harassed. He is not taking it anymore. One thing I'd like to point out is the fact that the woman who's recording knew how important it was to pull out the phone to start recording. I recommend you guys turn your phones horizontally and record that way. This is 2023, folks, but hey, we all got to start somewhere. All right, I'm not going to hold you guys up. Let's get right to it.
Hey, don't tell me what to do with my private property, okay?
They wouldn't even answer me.
You work for me, okay? I pay my taxes, right? Or what? Or what?
She goes this.
Or what? I'll let you reach for that motherfucker.
Hey!
That's the only way you're gonna get it. Then leave me the fuck alone. Then leave me the fuck alone. Fuck y'all. Your raggedy ass. You gonna make all this old bullshit over a stop.
What you looking for, ma'am? What you looking for? What you looking for, ma'am?
Y'all gonna make sense out of that?
What you looking for?
I know you got. Listen to me.
Why nobody answer when you talk? That's real rude.
Y'all did all of this over a traffic stop. Over a traffic stop. As soon as I said Constitution, all y'all act like y'all got fucking attitude.
It's cold.
Y'all don't know what the Supreme Law is?
It's fucking cold.
On the Constitution. Everything that I'm doing is Constitution.
Keep in mind that if cops are trying to violate your constitutional rights, it doesn't matter what policy or what ordinance they're trying to use. Cops are habitual line steppers. If you allow them to violate your rights, they will do it.
It's by the Constitution.
Oh, bro.
Why y'all going against this?
Fucking.
Why y'all going? You
That
trying to?
bitch leaking.
That's exactly what you're doing. You're going against my constitutional rights. Then y'all making it look like I'm the threat. Y'all violating my rights and my freedom. My rights and my freedoms. My rights and my freedoms. My rights and my freedoms and my liberties. Y'all need 5, 6 cars for this? Honestly.
It is fucking cold.
Y'all need that many cars for this?
2, 3, 4.
Pulled up willingly. Y'all need this many cars?
I don't like the fact that I ask questions and I ain't getting my questions answered. I don't even like the fact that we asking questions. Yeah, I'll be making sure. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. I don't even want nobody help. I'm good.
All right.
I'm good. I just fell. I told you.
This is what happens when we hire too many cops and they get bored and have nothing better to do but harass the people. The people are sick of it, folks. And no, cops don't act like this with everyone. There are some people out there that have privileges. Mostly you'll find them in the upscale neighborhoods. But I have seen cases where bad cops get taken out of certain neighborhoods and they move them to neighborhoods that are prone to having more violence or more crimes. It's important that you guys know your rights out there, just like these folks did. Always record the police, folks. And no, you do not need credentials. You do not need a press pass to press on. Keep in mind that freedom of the press is part of the First Amendment. There are 5 elements to it. You have the freedom of religion, freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for redress of grievances. And keep in mind that these documents were not written to give you your rights. You were born with natural rights. These documents were written to limit the scope of authority that cops and government has over the people. I once had a judge tell me that if I didn't know my rights, I didn't have any rights. That means he would have convicted me if I would not have stood up for myself. Lawyers want to get paid, and several lawyers that I've encountered, they can't even state what the First Amendment is. What I recommend when you're out there looking for a lawyer, as soon as you walk in the door, ask him if he knows the 5 elements of the First Amendment. That is important, folks. The cops are not being trained in the academies. Our kids are not being taught in school. They want a dumbed down society. Cops have this mentality that we should just comply. When you just comply, you make it hard for everyone else. You empower tyrants. But when you stand up for your rights, you stand up for the rights of everyone. I want to thank you all for tuning in. I'm going to drop Uncle Chico's channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. I want you guys to go subscribe and help his channel grow. This is what it's all about, folks. Growing a community of people who know their rights. With that being said, always record the police. If you have any videos you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at them. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace out.